Imagine standing at a crossroads. One path leads to remaining forever a boy, and the other to becoming a man. What does it truly take to step confidently down the road to manhood? It's not just about age or experience, it's about the choices you make and the challenges you conquer. Today we're uncovering the 5 pivotal transformations that shape a boy into a man. And don't rush off once we wrap up these insights. We've got a game-changing bonus tip waiting for you at the end that you won't want to miss. 1. Embracing challenges of facing life head-on. Life throws a lot at you. Sometimes it's more than you think you can handle. But here's the secret that separates boys from men. It's not about avoiding these challenges, it's about standing strong when they hit. Think about the last time you faced something tough. Did you back down or did you stand up and face it, even if you felt scared? Learning from the Toof times. Every challenge has a lesson in it. Men know that when things get tough, it's their chance to grow. It might be a mistake at work, a tough conversation with a friend, or a personal setback. Whatever it is, taking it head-on and learning from it is key. This isn't about suffering in silence, but about learning how to carry your burdens with strength and dignity. Keep pushing forward. Remember, staying the course is what matters. Each time you face a problem and come out the other side, you're not just surviving, you're getting stronger. That's what turning from a boy into a man is all about. 2. Mastery of self-control. The power within. Self-control is a silent strength. A boy reacts, a man responds. Consider this. When anger flares or fear strikes, how do you handle it? The journey from boyhood to manhood is marked by mastering this art. Instead of lashing out or crumbling under pressure, a man takes a deep breath, steps back, and chooses his actions wisely. Building inner strength. Self-control isn't just about keeping cool in heated moments. It's also about discipline, sticking to your goals, making healthy choices, and setting boundaries. Whether it's choosing to hit the gym instead of sleeping in, or deciding to save money rather than spend it impulsively, these choices build the muscle of self-control. Consistency is key. The secret ingredient? Consistency. Boys might give up when things get boring or tough, but men understand the value of staying consistent. Whether it's a daily workout, studying, or working on a project, sticking to it even when it's not exciting is what builds a strong character. Why it matters. Why focus on self-control? Because it's the foundation for success in every area of life, from personal relationships to professional achievements. It's what allows you to build a life you can be proud of, one decision at a time. 3. Taking risks and embracing failure. Step out of comfort. To grow into a man, stepping out of your comfort zone is not just beneficial, it's necessary. It's about taking risks. Maybe it's speaking up in a situation where you'd normally stay quiet, applying for that job that seems a stretch, or even learning a new skill that intimidates you. Learn from every fall. What happens when you take a risk and it doesn't work out? That's where the real growth happens. Boys might fear failure and avoid it at all costs, but men understand that failure is part of learning. Each setback is a stepping stone to better understanding and greater capability. It's not about how many times you fall, it's about how many times you stand up, learn, and move forward. Courage to continue. True courage isn't about not feeling fear. It's about feeling it and doing what needs to be done anyway. This bravery to face the unknown and potentially fail is what transforms a boy into a man. It builds character, resilience, and even wisdom. The bigger picture. Remember, every risk and every failure is a part of crafting the life you want. They're chapters in your story that make the ending more rewarding. Men create their paths by walking them, risks and all. This proactive approach to life makes a profound difference, not only in how you see yourself, but also in how others perceive you. 4. Taking ownership and responsibility. Own your actions. Ownership is about accepting responsibility for your life, your actions, your choices, and even your mistakes. A boy might look to shift blame or make excuses, but a man knows that true growth comes from owning up. When something goes wrong, instead of pointing fingers, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I prevent it from happening again? Leadership through accountability. Being accountable isn't just about personal growth, it's also a key trait of leadership. When you take responsibility, you set a standard for those around you. It shows that you are reliable and can be trusted to handle important tasks and make tough decisions. This kind of accountability builds respect and trust, which are crucial in any relationship, whether personal or professional. Embrace full responsibility. Taking full responsibility means embracing the power to change your circumstances. It's about looking at your life and knowing that you have the ability to make decisions that will either improve it or let it stagnate. This ownership mindset frees you from being a victim of circumstances and makes you the architect of your destiny. Impact on life's journey. Understanding and accepting that you are in control of how you respond to life's challenges is empowering. It transforms how you tackle everyday situations and major life decisions alike. This proactive approach leads to a more fulfilling and authentic life, where you are not merely reacting to the world, but actively shaping your journey. Part 5. Cultivating physical and mental strength. Build your foundation. Physical health is more than just muscle. It's the foundation of mental toughness and emotional resilience. A boy may neglect his health, but a man treats his body like a temple. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate rest aren't just good habits, they're essential practices that enhance your ability to tackle life's challenges. Mental fortitude through physical discipline. The discipline required to maintain physical fitness translates directly into mental and emotional strength. Each session at the gym, every run, every disciplined meal choice reinforces a mindset of persistence and resilience. This physical discipline prepares you to face mental challenges with a similar determination. The role of mental health. Physical strength is only part of the equation. Mental health is equally important. A man understands that seeking help when needed, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in activities that reduce stress are all vital. It's about recognizing when you're not okay and taking steps to address it rather than bottling up emotions. Sustaining your vitality. This balance of physical and mental health ensures that you can sustain your vitality over the long haul. It's not just about being strong enough to face today's challenges, but maintaining that strength over decades. This long-term perspective is what truly separates a man from a boy. Conclusion and bonus tip. As we wrap up, remember that the journey from boyhood to manhood is continuous and ever-evolving. Each of these 5 areas will challenge and reward you in different ways. And now, as promised, here's a bonus tip that can accelerate your journey. Mindfulness. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can greatly enhance your focus, reduce stress, and improve your decision-making skills. Start with just 5 minutes a day, and you'll soon see how powerful a calm mind can be in a chaotic world. Keep pushing forward and build a life that truly reflects who you are as a man. That wraps up our journey through the transformative steps from boyhood to manhood. Now, we turn the conversation over to you. What resonates with you the most? Which of these areas are you excelling in, and which do you find challenging? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and grow together. If you found value in today's discussion, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. Share this video with someone who might benefit from it, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the Stoic Prowess channel for more insightful content like this. Your engagement is not just appreciated, it's essential in building a community of like-minded individuals committed to personal growth and true manhood. Thank you for watching, and remember, every step you take on this journey adds to your story of transformation. Let's make it a powerful one. Until next time, keep striving with Stoic Prowess.